Over the last few days, Income Tax Department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had conducted rigorous checking of legal documents at various locations in Karbi Anglong district. The checking was initiated from around 10 a.m. at Langhin Market on 1 September. It was informed that only few could be found with proper legal papers out of the total shops across Langhin Market. Sardili Terang, Senior Income Tax Officer, while speaking to us, informed that they had issued a notice to all the shopkeepers to apply their license within the given stipulated time, failing which they might have to shut down the particular shop and legal action would be taken against the owner, as proper documentation is required for trading purposes.
License itu kami lain lagi checking si wang lo, tapi kami tu mana mulai tumpan kang lo, notice long kang lo, jadi buat kita tanpa nak tumpa license tu naik, license apa tu bepar klaim long deh, kalau tu mulai expire order yang claim bom lo, dan dah take long lo penan kami sih ke ong, asunan ini tumpa notice bang stop kang lo, apor pilong lah si, lain checking kang lo, pipi mah alu dorkaran checking lama, dan alu ating lo penan tumpa long pun license bang tu, sebab mana.
He also informed that the required documents to be submitted during the application for new trading license are Domicile Certificate (PRC), Voters ID, NOC from Town Committee, Municipal Board, Gaubura Certificate.
Kang cyber ini tu non headquarter dampo report ipo lah. Authority tu menti tu naik kau ini. Authority masih tu cahang itu kau kimaran kau itu te bon pon ini tu ta. Authority order abe tu ini tu non kau than deklan.
Tarpang Ri Ingti Kathars from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live.